Welcome to 10 Tips for Healthy Running. Let's dive into ways to improve your running routine. Tip 1. Start with a proper warm up to prevent injuries and prepare your body for the run ahead. Tip 2. Stay hydrated throughout your run to maintain energy levels and avoid dehydration. Tip 3. Focus on your breathing technique to optimize oxygen intake and enhance your performance. Tip 4. Incorporate strength training to build muscle and improve endurance for longer runs. Tip 5. Listen to your body and rest when needed to prevent burnout and overtraining. Tip 6. Wear proper footwear to support your feet and reduce the risk of injuries while running. Tip 7. Vary your running routes to keep things interesting and challenge different muscle groups. Tip 8. Set realistic goals to track your progress and stay motivated on your running journey. Tip 9. Cool down after your run with stretching exercises to prevent muscle soreness and aid recovery.